It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Monday, the 8th of June. I'm James Spann. Heat levels back off a little bit this week. We'll deal with a few scattered showers and storms probably each day. Let's check things out this morning. This is what we are looking like at daybreak. Core of the heat ridge a little west of the state, centered over Texas. A dying tropical system is around Baja California. Some of the high-level moisture from that becoming entrained in a surface front across the Midwest that's being pushed south by that upper trough. But for us, a relatively quiet start, although we note we've got a few showers located over Coosa and Talladega counties. That was a radar at 5:03. Those are moving northeast. Those will probably be gone by the time you watch this. Temperatures are mostly in the 70s, although we've got Fort Payne at 64. Birmingham at 75. Highs today, upper 80s, maybe touching 90. Not quite as warm as yesterday, which was the hottest day so far this year for most of the state. Birmingham's official high was 91. It was 93 in Tuscaloosa. That's the watch warning map early this morning. We note some flash flood warnings in effect for parts of Illinois and Missouri, with storms in advance of that surface front. And on that front today, the standard slight risk of severe weather from near Little Rock to Philadelphia. And in our state, a marginal severe weather risk down to Interstate 20. Storms could be fairly strong this afternoon or this evening. That's typically the case every summer day. The main risk would be from lightning, of course, and maybe a wet microburst. But the organized severe weather should be north of the state. And then tomorrow, a marginal risk for the southern half of Alabama, as the surface front is going to stall out somewhere probably over the Tennessee Valley. And the better rain opportunities tomorrow should be from Birmingham south. From Birmingham north, the chance of rain not zero, but showers there should be more widely spaced. And on day 3, which is Wednesday, a marginal risk, again, for about the southern third of the state. This is the overall rain for the next 5 days. Rain amounts about 3/4 to 1 inch on an average basis. Of course, this will vary from neighborhood to neighborhood. Heavier totals may be down around Mobile and Baldwin counties, but even there, if you got a beach trip coming up, you'll see a pretty decent amount of sunshine each day this week. Tropics are quiet. No tropical mischief expected in the Atlantic Basin for the next few days. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS, the 06Z run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time. That's a pretty good-looking trough north of the state. Down below that, a surface boundary is pretty far north of us, from Indianapolis down to Oklahoma City. And that trough will push it to the south. This is the high-res HRRR this evening at 6 o'clock, showing a fairly decent coverage of showers around and maybe some thunder. So a decent chance you catch a passing shower or storm later today or tonight. Now, tomorrow, where does the front stop? That's the big question. The GFS is kind of pushing it down toward US 278, meaning if perhaps you're in Huntsville or the Shoals, your day could be relatively dry, but if you are south of Cullman, we'll maintain the chance of scattered showers and storms. This is the high-res NAM tomorrow, the 4-kilometer NAM, not especially bullish. We'll mention scattered showers and storms tomorrow, and again, highs should be in the upper 80s. This is Wednesday. Again, that front is stalled out just north of us, so a mix of sun and clouds, scattered showers and storms, mid to upper 80s. Thursday, the front washes out, the moisture returns north, and just about anybody in the state could see a passing shower or storm. And this is Friday, pretty good moisture pool in place. So again, scattered showers and storms. That'll be part of our forecast every day this week. Better chance afternoon and evening, but we can't rule out the chance of a late night or morning shower, with highs mostly in the mid to upper 80s. Now, the weekend is trending drier. This is Saturday, and that looks relatively dry. Heights are rising, and we should be up there close to 90. And this would suggest a good supply of sunshine with only a slight chance of a shower, and really the same thing on Sunday. So at this point, the weekend is looking relatively dry. And we note the GFS keeps trying to put a tropical type low in the western Gulf. It's been doing this for days. The consistency is good. And this is a week from today, Monday the 15th. Notice how the ridge continues to build. That 588 ridge pushing far north. And again, for us, that looks relatively dry, probably low 90s with only isolated showers. And the GFS really doesn't do much with that thing in the Gulf. This is the end of the forecast, the middle of next week, Wednesday the 17th. Heights are coming down That would suggest an increase in the chance of showers and storms. And the tropical low is back. It's a broad tropical low is coming up into the Sabine Pass, the Texas-Louisiana border. However, we note the European shows nothing like that. And the GFS is famous for voodoo land tropical systems. European, again, shows nothing like that. So we'll just have to wait and see. Temperatures for the next 15 days. That's about what you expect in June around here, coming off the ensembles, upper 80s, low 90s. Although the guys at CPC are showing temperatures above average June 15th through June 21st as the ridge begins to build. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.